show you guys what I got for all my car guys and car women. Let me show you what the fuck I got. This shit is about to be lit. So today I am going to be picking up my car. Basically, I'm currently waiting on Lyft to get here to come pick me up so I can pick up my car. Yep, they're on their way now. Once I get my car, I'm gonna have to take it to another shop to put some tires. I just brought these tires, which is crazy, but to put some new tires in, just because it's rubbing, because my car is lower. I'll show you guys the car. You probably already seen it, but I'll show you more of it. And other than that, I'm just sitting here watching the market, and I'm looking at oil. Luckily, I was able to get in an oil trade last week, or no, sorry, this week, which was on Monday, which was like this trade right here. So essentially, this was a clear what we call continuation pattern. So we had basically, how many legs we had? We had one leg, the second leg, the third leg, the fourth leg. So basically we had 3 legs, not 5 legs. We had 3 legs. I was waiting on market to literally create this engulfing candle, which we call a power candle. So basically I sold it right here, and I was looking to TP it where you see here because of the Fibonacci. And I drop videos on this all the time about how my strategy works. And as you guys see, this is now at 104. I think was it last month? The month in October, I lost 80 grand. So my account was literally almost at zero. not gonna say zero, but my account was like down there at like what, 46 of like 50 or some K like that. But basically I grew this account, man. I've been working on this account for a very long time. So I just want to show you guys a setup right now that looks interesting. But what time is it? 9:37. But if this candle right here plays out very well, where we get an engulfing candle crossing past the 9 EMA, I can go ahead and short this for maybe possibly to these 2 levels right here. Now, if I zoom out, the other thing that kind of scares me a bit that I have not done yet is when you look further out, you see that it's been dropping very aggressively. Now, that's fine, right? But if we look here, you see that we have our support level right here, and we're tapping in that. So 2 things can happen. We can either sweep liquidity out of this, or what I would love to see, not saying that's going to happen, is for it to break out of this trend line, go up, possibly head back up to some of these levels up here, and then drop. Right? That's idea. But if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. If this move does close with an engulfing candle, then I'm gonna go ahead and take the trade. So when I get in the car, maybe it might be a setup, but they're 4 minutes away. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get ready. I have a whole gear I just brought. I got mics. I also got I have a action camera, which is like a GoPro, to do a lot of POV stuff. And I'm gonna start doing a lot of these, guys. I'm gonna start being raw with it though, like just raw day in the life stuff. And we're just gonna lock in. So I'm gonna lock in, and I will see you guys in a bit. All right, y'all. Let's go. Open my garage. Definitely. So this is now pretty much paid off, y'all. Thanks to Forex, which ain't nothing, bro. But if y'all know me, y'all know me. I came from nothing, bro. You know, I'm a Detroit person. I came from nothing, and I came from nothing to something, you know. So I'm blessed. All right, guys, we are here. We are here. Oh my gosh, look at the Audi. Load up what we can, okay. Yeah, see what I can do.
Yeah, have a good one.
I can put stuff in garbage bags. Yeah, if you. So it's not so dirty. Man, can you do that? Yeah, absolutely. All right, cool. Yeah, okay. Pull it up. Yeah, I'll pull it up. All right. Thank you, man. Thank you. All right, so let's go ahead, turn this bitch on. First time y'all gonna hear it with the with the downpipe. We already had the exhaust, but we got the downpipe. I end up paying a total of $2,500 for all of this. That's just this, but yeah, let's go ahead and start it up. Let's hear how it's pushed on. All right, guys, let me give you a full review of the Audi right now, because I didn't really do that. This motherfucker is loud, bro, with the downpipe added. We got the new intercooler. We have the front splitter. Looks beautiful. Really good. We also have the side skirts. Same Max 10 brand. We have the wheels. These are Boston 8.5s. I'm actually on my way to go to Discount Tire to get my new tires added. This is brand new too, but I also got to get the new one too because this is rubbing off of my car. So I got thinner ones, which is the 235s. This is 265s. We also have these right here. This shit is really cool. We have the back diffuser coming. You guys can hear that shit is fucking nasty, bro. The lower end looks beautiful. Everything looks good. Let's go for a drive, man. Put this bitch on. I got my camera right here too, by the way, y'all. I got this camera right here too, so y'all be able to see that. My check engine light is on because of the downpipe, so I got to get them to fix that when I tune it, because that's the whole point of me tuning it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this fucking thing on the road. Let's get on drive. Oh my God. This shit is like beyond loud, bro. That's wild, bro. Alright guys, I'm having fun with the whip, but let me show you the charts because I want y'all to see the follow-up of the trade. I haven't took anything yet. I'm actually looking at this for the first time since we left, and it did exactly what it should have did. Okay, so but you guys see that we had this large engulfing candle which literally wicked that stop loss. That blue line is our stop loss, right? And not stop loss, the blue line is our support line that I mentioned earlier, and we wicked that shit out, liquidity sweep all day. But that candle alone was literally the move, and we're in a 5 minute, and that's when I look for my entries. So seeing that trade happened, I'm actually more excited because now I want to see it break out of this trend line to head to this next trend line, which is all the way up there. It is Thursday, so I don't think I'm going to be able to get in any trade today. So keep in mind, guys, that don't need to fucking trade every day. If the trade don't exist. I lost $80,000 because I was over trading and over leveraging. I won't say over leveraging, but I was just doing a lot that I shouldn't be doing. And obviously, given the fact it was my birthday month, getting close to holidays, me trying to get this car, I was just going crazy, and I end up fucking almost losing everything in that account. So other than that, man, let me show you guys what I got for all my car guys and car women. Let me show you what the fuck I got. I end up spending on this car $15,000 on just mods and labor. Now, if you are a car guy or a car woman and you know about Audis, you know there's pretty much three different like sports series. You have the regular A3s, A4s, A5s, and then you have the S lines. And then you have an S Sport, which is what I have. And then you have the RS Sport. So I got the S Sport. It's lower from the RS Sport, which is also another dream that I want. But the fact that I did not get the RS, I should have at this point, because I spent what the RS probably would have been at if for the year I got, which is actually a 2022. But that's what I spent, and the beauty is, shit, it's not, and I'm not doing this to flex. I'm really not, guys. I really came from nothing, bro. From Detroit, moved out here when I was young, and I had to move with my family because I was with them at the time. Obviously, staying, I was young, so I moved in with the family, and you know, we didn't really have much. I didn't really have much. And one thing about me is I always wanted to be my own boss and work my own hours. So I started a production studio, which is, y'all probably know, for those that's new, I had a production studio called Black Experience Studios, where we had a 4,200 warehouse. We had multiple sets. I brought a lot of camera gear, all of this. The business didn't do well, so it was a failing business, so I let that go. And now I'm just using that money on shit like this. So, showing you guys what I got. I end up getting spark plugs, APR spark plugs, injectors. I got the APR intercooler. The inlet to the turbo, there's a part that I needed to get, so they ordered that. That should be in by next week. We got that. Other than that, there's really no other mods I've done besides also, oh, I lied. We also got the, right there, we got the CTS downpipe. So that looks really fucking good, by the way. It's my first time seeing it. And then we also got a new intercooler, which is by IE. And then also, besides that, that is pretty much it. We're staging this to stage 2. So I'm going to go ahead and get this tuned. I'm going to take it to the shop to get it tuned. But besides that, we got the front lip. We also have the side skirts. We have the Vossen wheels. The tires, so everything that you guys are seeing here. We got the new exhaust as well. In the back, let me show you guys the exhaust. We got AWE exhaust. Fucking looks beautiful. We also got the spoiler. I got a new spoiler, and I also have carbon fiber mirror caps that I'm adding to the Audi. But it's cold as shit. Getting in. Guys, that's basically being said. That's really all it is to this. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, man. I'm gonna be dropping more shit like this of the car, of everything. I'm about to go ahead and enjoy my day. It's a Thursday, and I got work to do, so I'm gonna go home and work because I can't do this all day. All right.